So just kind of disconnect here and here. There's no need to take the ground out. So take the fan out. Grab the drill with a T20. Alright, so that's that. You have to cut all the wire ties carefully, that you don't cut the wire. Sometimes you can just pull this one out with your fingers. Sometimes you need a tool. If you can with your fingers, then that's fine. Then you need to disconnect that one. For that one I use this. Just pinch into his back. I already took the screws out. Carefully remove the cap, because sometimes this sticks to that, and this is actually a small washer.
Okay.
Make sure everything stays on place.
Okay.
Then grab the wires and lift. Push this one down and lift out the outside, so this stays inside. I get a new one. Just wires on top. When you place it, make sure you press down. It's gonna pretty much fit. If you look at the bottom, if it isn't flush, then you use this to hit it carefully on the sides.
Okay.
This one is flush.
This one is flush.
Yeah, so I don't need to use this. So again, just put this one back on. And it fits. 1, 2. On the first one, I don't go all the way. Same with that one. And then that's good, but it's always better to just always give it the extra turn. And then spin it with the fan on. Make sure the fan doesn't hit the sides. Oops. That's clear. So now we're going to use the ties. Pull all the way down. Now we always do this one, which is this one, going to the board. The top one go into the connector. So before we do that, we put this back in place. More ties. So now from here you measure to where the connector is. So I'm going to pull this up and kind of guess. I'm going to cut right there. Cut. Alright, so this is cut now. We're gonna use this. It's an 18 gauge. You wanna do about this much. Make sure you remove whatever falls in the machine. Just give it a small twist. Here's the connector. And again, twist a tiny bit, push all the way in. Here's where this one comes in.
Okay.
Print top, a tiny bit on the bottom, and then I always go back to the top.
Okay.
Not too much pressure, but just enough. Always pull, it's fine. Sometimes it's hard to put it back in here, so if you can't do it by hand, like I can right now, I use this and this. Grab this side with one, this with the other, and push. Okay. It's not coming out. This is the second one, which is this one. Coming around, going down, so you again estimate how much you want to cut, like where. It's about right there.
Okay.
Cut. Black gun. Push it all the way to the empty space. Push in. Press. Done. Then just put it in. Roll around. And then another wire tie to hold these in place. That's it.
Tester in place. Okay.
Turn it on. We have to lift to 85.
Voila.